Assalamualaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Greetings everyone. My name is Yuri Fathia. I'm a student majoring in mathematics education in the 5th semester of the 3rd year at Syarif Hidayatullah State Islamic University, Jakarta. This video is the final project for the English for Mathematics course with Miss Khamidah Siti Nur Atiqoh as the lecturer. In this moment, we are going to focus on plane figures, especially kite. We are going to talk about their characteristic, area, perimeter, and solve contextual problems related to kites. So, please enjoy this video. For your information, Bali always holds a kite festival every July at Padanggalak area, Sanur Beach. The festival will fly large kite. And the problem is, Mr. Wayan wants to participate in the kite festival next year. He prepared the materials to make a big kite using bamboo and the fabric. The first diagonal that Mr. Wayan will make is 12 meters long, and the second diagonal is 7/4 of the length of the first diagonal. So, how much fabric area will Mr. Wayan use to cover the kite? Let's help solving Mr. Wayan's problem. Before we solve the problem, we must know the concept of plane figures, especially kite. First, a kite itself is one of the flat shapes that has 4 sides, which is often called a quadrilateral. The second is, kite is a quadrilateral where 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal and 1 pair of opposite angles are equals. Third, it has 4 angles, where a pair of angles fetching each other are equal. Fourth, it has 1 fold axis of symmetry and does not have a rotating axis of symmetry. And the last, the kite has 2 diagonal lines that intersect each other. We can call the line AC as the first diagonal and BD as the second diagonal. After knowing the characteristic of kite, we also need to know the area and perimeter formulas of kite. First, the area formula of the kite is half times first diagonal times second diagonals. The unit of area is unit square, so we can have square meters, square centimeters, or something else. Then, the formula for the perimeter is the sum of all the side lengths, or AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Or it can be said that the length of AB is equal to the length of BC. If the length of AB is denoted by A, so we have A plus A is equal to 2A. Then the length of CD is equal to the length of DA, and if the length of CD is denoted by B, then so we have B plus B is equal to 2B. So, the perimeter of the kite is 2A plus 2B. As 2 is a common factor to all the terms, so we can write it as 2 multiplied by A plus B. Okay friends, we all already know the characteristic and formulas of the area and perimeter of kite. Then we can solve the problem experienced by Mr. Wayan. The information obtained from the problem is that diagonals of the kite will be made of bamboo, with the length of the first diagonal is equal to 12 meters. And given from the problem, the second diagonal is 7/4 of the first diagonal. Thus, we can conclude that the second diagonal is equal to 7/4 times 12, because the length of the first diagonal is 12. Therefore, we get the second diagonal is 21 meters. Mr. Wayan will buy fabric to cover the kite frame, where what we are looking for is the area of the kite. Then A is equal to half times first diagonal times second diagonal. The first diagonal is 12 meters and the second diagonal is 21 meters. Then we can substitute both diagonals' value to the equation. So we have A is equal to half times 12 times 21. A half of 12 is 6. So we have A is equal to 6 times 21. 6 times 21 is 126. So the area is 126 square meters. So the area of fabric needed by Mr. Wayan to cover kite is 126 square meters. Hopefully, this video is useful and can add to your insight regarding the plane figure, especially kite. To strengthen your understanding, I have one problem for you to solve. If the kite that Mr. Wayan made has sloping sides that have a length of 5 meters and 13 meters respectively, and he wants to decorate the edges of the kite with ribbons that are 4 meters apart from each other. So, how many ribbons does he need? Write your answer in the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video until it's finished. Hopefully this video is useful. So, see you in the next video. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.